can send a message on Telegram and an AI will control my computer. But now it can also remember things, dream about them, and even generate music and videos. This is OpenClaw, an AI agent that doesn't just respond, it actually takes action on your system. And with the latest update, it's starting to feel less like a tool and more like something autonomous. You can connect it to Telegram and literally control your computer remotely. It can run workflows, manage files, search the web, automate tasks, and many more things. And everything runs from simple commands in plain English. The latest updates are focused on making this usable in real-world workflows. So now you get more reliable task execution, better orchestration, cleaner UI, and improved tool handling. This is where AI agents start becoming actually useful, not just demos. But here is where it gets really interesting. OpenClaw now has a dreaming system. It doesn't just complete tasks and forget about them, it processes information in the background. It works in phases, light, deep, and REM. These phases are internal implementation details, not separate user-configured modes. So your AI actually gets smarter the more you use it. Dreaming is the background memory consolidation system in memory core. It helps OpenClaw move strong short-term signals into durable memory while keeping the process explainable and reviewable. Dreaming is disabled by default, and you need to enable it if you want to use it. And this is the part that most people are sleeping on right now. OpenClaw now has built-in music generation. The Music Generate tool lets the agent create music or audio through the shared music generation capability with configured providers such as Google, Minimax, and Workflow configured Comfy UI. If you look at the documentation, you can see how you can configure it. And basically you need to provide an API key for the provider which you're going to use to produce music. And you can see how you need to configure it on this page. You can also find some sample prompts which are used to produce some tones and different music on the same page. Last but not least, OpenClaw now has built-in video generation. OpenClaw agents can generate videos from text prompts, reference images, or existing videos. There are 14 providers that are supported, each with different model options, input modes, and feature sets. The agent picks the right provider automatically based on your configuration and available API keys. So you can see that OpenClaw has 3 different video generation modes. So the first one is generate, which basically takes your text prompt and then it creates a video. Then the second mode is image to video, where you upload an image and then based on that image it produces a video. And last but not least, you have video to video, where you upload a video and then based on that video it creates a new video. On this page you can see how you need to configure your OpenClaw assistant, and what you need to do is basically, again, you need to generate an API key. You need to select the model or the provider that you're interested in using. And then if you scroll down a little bit, you can see the different providers which actually give you the option to create videos, and you basically need to check how much they charge for each video and probably pick the one that actually makes sense for you and based on your budget. So this isn't just an AI that executes tasks, it can actually create content for you. You could literally say create a short video about AI automation, or generate background music for my content, or even combine both into a workflow. This means your AI agent can now run your systems, learn over time, and create content automatically. So for example, I can send a command like this one. Every Sunday at 6 p.m. run a cron job to search for the upcoming week's earnings calendar for tech and AI companies. Filter the companies I care about: Nvidia, Microsoft, Google, Meta, Amazon, Tesla, and AMD. It is going to execute this task precisely at 6 p.m. every Sunday. It's going to pull all the information that I'm interested in, and then it's going to produce a nice breakdown and send it back to me. This is where things get crazy. You're not just automating tasks anymore. You're building systems that think, remember, and actually create something. You could build a content creation pipeline, an AI marketing assistant, or a fully automated backend for a business. But this also comes with serious risks. This AI has access to your system, your files, and now your persistent memory. If something breaks, it's not just one mistake, it can compound over time. So the smart way to use this is keep it controlled, limit permissions, and monitor what it remembers and what it does. Think of it like an employee, not a tool. This is where AI is heading. Agents that don't just respond but act, learn, and create. And OpenClaw is showing what the future looks like right now. If you want more content on AI automation and agents like this, please like the video and subscribe to the channel. See you in the next one.